If you're a fan of sleek, luxurious, and high-performance vehicles, then you're going to want to keep watching. Today, we've got an exclusive first look at Infiniti's brand new 2025 Q80 sedan. And let me tell you, this car is an absolute stunner. You see, the brand behind this incredible machine, the Infiniti, while you may be familiar with parent company Nissan, Infiniti is their premium luxury division that has been making waves in the automotive world for over 3 decades. Founded in 1989, Infiniti was created with the sole purpose of challenging the dominance of European luxury automakers like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi. From the very beginning, Infiniti set out to redefine what it means to be a luxury brand, combining cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and a relentless pursuit of performance. Over the years, Infiniti has established itself as a true innovator in the industry, introducing groundbreaking technologies like lane departure warning, intelligent cruise control, and their renowned VR variable removable engine series, which delivers incredible power and efficiency. But it's not just about technology. Infiniti also has made a name for itself with its bold, distinctive designs that challenge traditional luxury norms. From the sleek, curvaceous lines of their sedans to the muscular, aggressive stance of their SUVs and crossovers, Infiniti vehicles exude a sense of confidence and individuality that sets them apart from the crowd. And that commitment to innovation and pushing boundaries extends far beyond just the vehicles themselves. Infiniti has also pioneered new approaches to their customer experience, with programs like their Infiniti Total Ownership Experience, which offers white-glove service and amenities that make owning an Infiniti a truly exceptional experience. So while the all-new 2025 Q80 may be the star of the show today, it's important to understand that it's just the latest chapter in Infiniti's ongoing pursuit of superior luxury. This brand has built a reputation on challenging conventions, embracing cutting-edge technology, and delivering an ownership experience that's second to none. The Q80 is their new flagship sedan, engineered to compete head-to-head with heavy hitters like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8. Looking at the stunning exterior design of the Q80, this car is an absolute stunner from every angle. Up front, you're greeted by Infiniti's signature double-arch grille, which has been updated with a more dynamic and sculpted look that gives the car a real presence on the road. The headlights are slim and sharp, with intricate LED detailing that adds to the overall aggressive yet elegant aesthetic. And let's not forget about those massive air intakes flanking the grille. They're not just for show. They actually help feed air to the powerful engine lurking beneath the hood. As we move to the side profile, the Q80's long sweeping lines and muscular fenders give it a real sense of motion, even when it's standing still. The sleek roofline adds to the overall aerodynamic design, while the stylish alloy wheels fill out the wheel wells perfectly. Around back, the Q80 continues to impress with its slim, stylish taillights that feature a unique LED signature that's sure to turn heads. The dual exhaust tips add a touch of sportiness, and the integrated rear spoiler gives the car a more aggressive, planted stance. But the Q80 isn't just a pretty face. Step inside and you'll be transported into a world of luxury and sophistication that's sure to make even the most discerning passengers swoon. From the moment you open the door, you're enveloped in a meticulously crafted cabin that exudes an air of modern elegance. The interior of the Q80 is a true masterclass in premium materials and attention to detail. Every surface you touch is adorned with the finest, soft, supple leathers, real wood trim sourced from sustainable forests, and brushed aluminum accents that give the cabin a truly upscale feel. The craftsmanship is truly exquisite, with each material chosen not just for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its ability to elevate the overall sensory experience. But it's not just about looking good. Infiniti has also placed a strong emphasis on comfort and ergonomics. The seats, for example, are not only incredibly supportive and comfortable, but they also offer a wide range of adjustments to ensure the perfect driving position. From multi-way power adjustments to heating and ventilation functions, and even an available massage feature, these seats are designed to cocoon you in luxury for even the longest of journeys. And then there's the pièce de résistance, that massive high-resolution display that serves as the command center for all your infotainment needs. This sleek, seamless screen stretches across the dashboard, offering a level of visual clarity and vibrancy that is simply stunning. But it's not just a pretty face. This display is also incredibly intuitive and fully customizable, allowing you to tailor the interface to your personal preferences with just a few taps or swipes. Whether you want to prioritize navigation, media playback, or vehicle settings, the Q80's infotainment system can adapt to your needs. And thanks to its compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the car system, giving you access to all your favorite apps, music, and more right at your fingertips. But the tech features don't stop there. The Q80 also comes equipped with a state-of-the-art heads-up display, which projects vital information right onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. And if that's not enough, there's even a digital rear-view mirror that uses a camera to give you an unobstructed view behind the car, eliminating any blind spots. Of course, all of this luxury and technology would be for naught if the Q80 didn't deliver in the performance department. And let me tell you, this car is an absolute beast. Under the hood, you'll find a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that pumps out an incredible 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That power is channeled through an advanced all-wheel drive system and a lightning-quick 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring that every ounce of that power is put to the pavement. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Q80 has been designed with a focus on handling and agility thanks to its lightweight construction and advanced suspension system. This car hugs the road like a dream, and it's sure to put a smile on any driving enthusiast's face, whether you're carving up a twisty mountain road or just cruising down the highway. And for those who really want to take things to the next level, Infiniti is offering an optional sport package that includes larger, more aggressive wheels, a sport-tuned suspension, and even a few exterior styling enhancements to really set the Q80 apart from the crowd. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about safety? Well, fear not, my friends, because Infiniti has gone above and beyond to make sure the Q80 is one of the safest cars on the road. It comes packed with a suite of advanced driver assist technologies, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. These systems work together to help prevent accidents before they happen, giving you an extra set of eyes on the road and an added layer of protection for you and your passengers. But it's not just about the tech. The Q80 has also been engineered with a focus on structural rigidity and strategic use of high-strength steel to create a protective cocoon around the occupants in the event of a collision. One of the things that really sets the Q80 apart from its competitors is the sheer number of customization options available. Infiniti understands that every driver has their own unique taste and preferences, which is why they've created a wide range of interior and exterior color combinations, wheel designs, and even trim levels to choose from. Whether you prefer a more subdued, understated look or something that really makes a bold statement, there's a Q80 configuration that's sure to speak to you. Alright folks, that's just a taste of what the all-new 2025 Infiniti Q80 has to offer. We could go on and on about all the incredible features and capabilities of this car, but we'll leave some surprises for you when you get behind the wheel yourself. So what do you think about the Q80? Are you impressed by its design, luxury, and performance? Or do you think there's room for improvement? Let us know in the comments section below. We're really curious to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. We've got plenty more exciting car content coming your way. including in-depth reviews, comparisons, and behind-the-scenes looks at the latest and greatest vehicles on the market. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in this auto space.